for the Brain Builder 4 Partners Tale Tools of Poetry assignment. Very similar to the Beowulf Tools of Poetry assignment, this assignment is to help you define tools of poetry that we are experiencing throughout this semester. And you're going to be able to use these tools of poetry documents as your cheat sheets as on part of your semester exam. Okay, so big tip here, go back to your partner reader response assignment to help find examples of each of these tools because they're there. Much like the Beowulf assignment, you will need to define each tool of poetry here. So you have simile, metaphor, allusion, verbal irony, situational irony, satire, and personification. Just like the assignment from Beowulf, you need to create your own definition. Do not just copy and paste what you find in the textbook. Okay. The reason for this is so that way you can comprehend and understand at a better rate what these tools of poetry are. Secondly, you're going to need to find examples from the Partner's Tale that we read and studied. Do not go to the prologue. Do not give me some random example from the internet on what a simile is. You need to give me examples directly from the Partner's Tale. And I want to make sure this is clear. You're going to quote a parenthetical citation with the author's last name and the line number of the quote. For example, quote, "Don't think I can't tell moral tales, I can," end quote, and then Coghill 56. Remember, Chaucer is the original author, but we are not citing his text here. We are citing the translation done by Coghill, since that is the one we read and are pulling quotes from. So for this assignment, with each assignment, I'm getting a little more strict. Now I'm looking for it. I need to see those exact quotes with that parenthetical citation if you want to get full credit on this assignment. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.